Welcome to English in a Minute. Dominoes is an old game.
Domino effect.
So is this what happens after you play dominoes for too long?
So, I'm going to China next month. How was your trip there?
Difficult. I missed my flight in Los Angeles, which made me miss my connecting flight in Hong Kong, which made me miss my train in Shanghai.
Wow, that is quite the domino effect.
It was an international domino effect.
Dominoes is a game, but people also use the tiles in this way. They knock the first tile over, which knocks over the second, then the third, and so on. So a domino effect is when one event causes a series of other things to happen. And that's English in a Minute.